Welcome to Acadal. In this video, we're going to explore the complete admin side of your academy and understand the major features available inside the platform. Let's get started. First, log into your academy admin panel. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can view important insights like engagement trends, user ratings, course performance, learner activity, and more. Now let's move to the learning page. This is where you can manage everything related to learning content. Courses. Let's first see how to create a course. Click Create New Course. Here, you'll see 3 course types: normal course, video course, and live course. Normal courses are best for structured learning with lessons, quizzes, assessments, videos, images, documents, HTML content, and more. Video courses are designed for lengthy video-based lessons with quizzes and assessments. Live courses are used for scheduling live training sessions with learners. Let's select normal course and click Continue. Now enter the course name, description, language, group, and other mandatory details. Then click Submit. Your course is now created. Next, open the lesson section and click Create New Lesson. Enter the lesson title and save it. Inside the editor, you can add text directly or use the plus icon to insert videos, images, links, HTML content, documents, and other formats. After adding the content, click Save. Now publish the lesson, go back to the course page and publish the course as well. Learning Path. Next is Learning Path. Click Create Learning Path. Enter the name, description, and other mandatory details. Then click Save. Now you can add courses to build a structured learning journey for your users. Question Bank. In the Question Bank section, you can create and manage saved questions for quizzes and assessments. Engage Next is Engage. Engage is the community discussion forum where learners can interact through posts, comments, and likes. You can also control who can post and manage user permissions from the settings. Certificates. Now let's look at certificates. Click Create Certificate. You can either choose a template or build your own certificate design. Let's select Choose Template and click Continue. Enter the required details and save them. Then choose a template. Assign the certificate to a course and save it. Learners will automatically receive certificates after course completion. Leaderboard. The leaderboard section displays learner rankings and points based on your gamification settings. Users. In the Users section, you can view and manage learners. You can also bulk import users, manually add users, or invite them through email. Now let's move to the workflow page. Segments. Segments help you categorize users based on rules. Users matching those rules can automatically receive emails. Click Create Segment. Add the segment name, type, and define your rules. For example, users registered less than 10 days ago. After creating the rule, click Save. Reach Out. In Reach Out, you can create email campaigns by adding the subject, content, and assigning the campaign to a segment. Campaigns. The Campaigns section helps you track sent emails and campaign performance. Now let's move to Analytics. Analytics. Here, you can access different types of reports such as user-wise, group-wise, course-wise, certificate reports, and more. You can also track learner progress and export reports for analysis. Next is integrations. Integrations. Inside integrations, you can add tracking pixels, connect AI tools like OpenAI and Gemini embed widgets into your website. Connect third-party tools like HubSpot and Crisp Manage API keys for authentication. Configure webhooks, set up SSO and authentication methods like LinkedIn, Auth0, and Azure AD. Now let's move to the settings page. Testimonials. Here, you can add and manage testimonials from learners or clients. Gamification. Configure points, badges, and levels to improve learner engagement. Groups. Create and manage learner groups. Categories and tags. Manage course categories and tags for better organization. Engage topics. Create and manage discussion topics for the engaged community. Engage settings. Control posting permissions, visibility, and engagement settings for your community. Access codes. Generate and manage access codes for your academy. Plans. Manage your subscription plans effectively. Gateways. Connect and manage payment gateways for selling courses. Finally, let's move to the admin page. In Teams, invite and manage team members who can access the Academy admin panel. Domain. Set up your custom domain. Branding, header, and pages for customizing your Academy appearance, navigation, and pages. Email section for manage email configurations such as SMTP, Gmail, and Outlook integrations. File manager. Manage all uploaded media and files. Languages. Add and manage multiple languages for your Academy. Configurations. Manage general platform settings including privacy, course settings, pricing, and other configurations. And that's the complete overview of the Arcadle admin panel. Thank you for watching.